In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mobile view on your Wix website. We all know how crucial it is to provide a seamless browsing experience for mobile users. With more and more people accessing websites through their phones, ensuring that your site looks great on a smaller screen is a top priority. So, let's dive into the Wix editor and make some adjustments to refine that mobile view. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is your central hub for making all the necessary changes to your site. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top of the screen and switch to the mobile view. This is a key step as it allows you to see exactly how your website is going to look on mobile devices, making it easier to identify areas that might need some tweaks. Now, click on a specific element on your page. This could be anything from an image to a text box. Once you've selected an element, you can begin arranging its position by dragging it to the desired spot. This flexibility is perfect for adjusting the layout to ensure everything fits just right on the mobile screen. Be sure to take your time here, as proper alignment can greatly improve the visual appeal. Next, let's focus on text elements. Click on any text element you want to modify. You might find that the font size or the line spacing needs adjustment for better readability on mobile. Simply click on the text to access editing options. Making these tweaks ensures that your content is easily legible, improving the user experience significantly. Another useful trick in the Wix editor is the ability to hide elements from the mobile view. If you come across a section that doesn't quite work well on mobile, you can select that element and choose to hide it from the mobile view. This feature allows you to maintain the aesthetic integrity of your desktop design while optimizing mobile interactions. But what if you change your mind about a hidden element? That's where the Hidden on Mobile tab comes into play. Once you enter this tab, you can review all the elements that have been hidden and decide to show any of them again. This is an excellent way to manage and experiment with your mobile layout without losing any content. Finally, for a truly polished finish, make use of the highlight feature. Simply click on an element and then choose highlight. This tool helps emphasize specific parts of your page, directing user attention exactly where you want it. With everything set to your satisfaction, review the entire page to ensure a cohesive look. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on enhancing your Wix site's mobile view. Happy editing, and let your creativity shine.